Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online classes, grade 9 chemistry. In previous session, we have discussed about physical changes and chemical changes with examples. Today's topic, we are going to learning about what are the types of pure substances. On the basis of their chemical composition, substances can be classified either as elements or compounds. Element: any substance that cannot be decomposed into similar substances by ordinary chemical process or reactions is known as a element. Elements can be normally divided into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Elements classified into three types. One is metal, second one non-metal, third one metalloids. Metals usually show some or all of the following properties: chemical properties and physical properties. Chemical properties of metals: they have 1 to 3 valence electrons. They lost their valence electrons easily, low ionization energy. When ionized, they form positive charged ions. Physical properties: they have high densities, good conductors of heat and electricity. They have strong, almost all are solids. Metals are present in solid state. Chemical property: they have low electronegativity values. They form basic oxides. They are good reducing agents. Physical properties: they are ductile, can be stretched into wires. They are malleable, can be beaten into thin sheets. They are shiny, have metallic lusters. So metallic lusters, these are the properties of metals. Examples of metals: gold, silver, iron, copper, nickel, aluminum, mercury, titanium. So these are the examples of metals. Physical properties of nonmetals: usually lusterless, dull, except graphite and iodine, brittle if solid, bad conductors of heat, bad conductors of electricity except graphite, non-sonorous, they do not produce a metallic clink. So of the 24th nonmetals known today, 12 are solids. Example: carbon, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. One is a liquid, bromine, and 11 are gases. Examples: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, helium, neon, argon. So under a ordinary conditions. So these are the properties of non-metals. Metalloids. Metalloids are the elements which are having a combination of some properties of metals along with some properties of non-metals. The properties are intermediate between the properties of metals and non-metals. They are also called semi-metals. Example: boron, silicon, germanium, etc. Metalloid means both two properties of metals and non-metals. The properties will be present, physical or chemical properties, is known as a metalloids. Compounds. A compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion is known as a compounds. Examples of compounds: water, formula H2O; hydrogen peroxide, formula H2O2; salt, formula NaCl; baking soda, formula NaHCO3; octane, formula C8H18. So These are the examples of compounds. Differences between mixtures and compounds. Mixtures. The substances are mixed together, no reaction take place. Compounds. Substances chemically react to form a new compound. Composition can be varied. Composition of new compounds is always same. Properties of the constituent present remain same. The properties of new compound are very different from those of the element in it. Can be separated by physical methods such as filtration, distillation, etc. Compounds cannot easily be separated into its elements. So these are the differences between mixtures and compounds.